In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by launching Settings. Now scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, select System Management over here. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, Manage On-Screen Keyboards, and after that, Gboard. Now hit text correction here and manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!